Check this out right here. On this enclosure, I used two 2-inch round ports. A common misconception is that a pair of 2-inch round ports is going to give you the same area as a single 4-inch port. That is not the case. Let me show you. Here I've got two circles, a 4-inch diameter circle and a 2-inch diameter circle. If I move that 2-inch diameter circle into the 4-inch circle, obviously, yes, it's smaller, but how much smaller is it? Check this out. I can copy and paste this circle and also fit a second small circle inside of the larger circle. Going from a 4-inch down to a pair of 2 inches isn't going to give you the same port area. Here's the math showing how it works. If I've got a 4-inch diameter port, I'll have an area of 12.57 square inches. If I have a 2-inch diameter port, I'll have an area of 3.14. And the ratio of the 4-inch to the 2 inch is actually 4. So a 2-inch diameter port actually has a fourth of the area of a 4-inch diameter port. And that ratio is not going to change if we make the diameter of the ports larger. So if we had a 6-inch diameter port compared to a bunch of 3-inch diameter ports, again, the ratio doesn't change. Here in this cell, I'm just dividing these two areas, right? Kick it up to any number you want. Kick it down to any number you want. That ratio's not going to change. So if you want to go from a big 8-inch round port to a bunch of 4-inch round ports, you'll need 4 of them to get the same area. That's really important, and here's why. Let's say hypothetically you've got a 4 cubic foot box tuned to 36 hertz, and you're going to use one big round 8-inch port. When you hit calculate, that one 8-inch port is going to be 20.25 inches long. It's going to give you 50 square inches of port area. But if we go back up here and we kick it up to 4-inch ports, and hit calculate, we have the same 50.25 inch port area, but now the port is 23.18 inches long. Those individual ports have to be longer. Sometimes multiple small ports are what you need to get the port to fit in the box. Sometimes you can fit one large port. Taking things full circle, no pun intended, right here's the formula for the hydraulic diameter. As luck would have it, 4 4-inch ports are going to give you the same area as one 8-inch port, but the 4 4-inch ports are going to have a hydraulic diameter of 4 inches. So you're going to get a bigger hydraulic diameter if you use one big port. I'm not sure how much that matters because you already know from earlier in the video that if you have 4 smaller ports, each of those ports are going to be tuning 1/4 of the area of the enclosure, which is why those ports are longer. Ultimately, the decision to go with one large port or multiple small ports boils down to fitting everything inside the box. Just make sure you maintain enough port area and be aware that those smaller ports are going to have to be longer in order to get the tuning frequency that you're shooting for.